In this video, I'm going to show you how to print both sides in Adobe Reader. So to do this, you first want to open your document, and of course it must have more than one page. Mine has 4. You want to go to the top left here, click on File, and then click on Print. You could also open this by pressing Ctrl P or this button up here, top left. Now when you do this, you want to select your printer. I'm going to select my HP over here, and then you have 2 options. If you see this option over here, which says Print on both sides of paper, you should check this, and over here you can then select how you want to flip it, either on long edge or short edge, up to you. I'm going to do long edge, which usually is kind of the default. That's how you usually do it. And whenever you do that, you can just hit the print button, and that's going to print on both sides. However, if for some reason you're not seeing this, you want to go to Properties up top next to your printer name, and in here somewhere you should be able to find the option to actually turn that on. Now of course you may have a different printer. I have HP, so these layouts or these boxes, these settings are going to be a bit different, but somewhere it should say something like print on both sides manually, or like print on both sides, print double-sided, something along those lines. Find it, select on, so don't make it none, select it to be on, and then select how you want to flip it, hit OK, and then you should be able to print both sides that way as well, okay? So that's how to do it. Then hit print and you're good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.